Is your PS5 saying something went wrong with this game or app? Then you are at the right place. Here is how to fix the issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Update the content. The PS5 something went wrong with this game or app error message typically indicates an issue with the game or application itself, often related to corrupted data or network problems. If you can see the game content on the home page but cannot play it, then try to update the game. To do that, highlight the game, press the Options button. Select Check for Update to ensure the game is updated to the latest version. If this method doesn't work for you, then go to the next method. Method 2. Restore licenses. The next thing you can do is restore licenses. To do that, open PS5 settings, then select Users and Accounts, then select Other. Next, select Restore licenses. Once done, the issue should be resolved. Method 3. Delete and reinstall the application. Next, you can uninstall and reinstall the game. To uninstall a game on PS5, open PS5 device storage, then head to console storage. Then select Games and Apps. Now select the problematic game and select the delete option. Follow as shown to delete a game or app. Next, reinstall the game from the Play Store and check. Method 4. Rebuild database. If the error persists, rebuild the database. To do that, turn off your PS5 completely, ensuring it's not in rest mode. Press and hold the power button until you hear 2 beeps. This will start the console in the safe mode, which should take a few seconds. Connect a DualSense controller using a USB cable once in safe mode. Press the PS button on the controller, then select Clear Cache and Rebuild Database. Select Rebuild Database from the menu using the controller to navigate. Confirm the rebuild operation by pressing the X button on the controller. Follow the on-screen instructions to proceed. After completing the rebuild process, restart the console. Method 5. Update the system software. The next thing you can do is uninstall the latest update for your system. But before that, ensure your PS5 is connected to the internet via Wi-Fi or a stable wired Ethernet connection. You can run an internet connection test. To do that, navigate to PS5 settings. Select Network. Then select Test Internet Connection. You can also connect another device to the same internet and go to speedtest.net to check the internet speed. Now navigate to PS5 settings. Go to System, then select the System Software section. Next, select System Software Update and Settings. Then select Update System Software and then select Update using Internet. Follow the on-screen instructions to download and install the latest update file. Method 6. Reset the console. If the methods shown did not help to fix the issue, you can reset the console and then set it up as a new and try to log in. But make sure you take a backup of all your important data, as resetting will delete all the settings and save data on the console. To reset the PS5 console, head to the console settings. Then select System. From System Software, go to Reset option. Select the Reset Your Console option. Follow the on-screen instructions to finish the process. And there you have it, the methods to fix something went wrong with this game or app error message on PS5. We hope one of these methods have worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which solution solved your problem. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.